Let's talk about unit rate. So unit, like uno, comes from the word one. So when we're talking about unit, we're talking about a single item. And the rate is the amount of one thing that pairs with another thing. And I know that definition's a little confusing, so let's look at some examples. So I can look at the price of gas. And here I'm comparing the amount of money that goes with the amount of gallons of gas. So the rate is how much gas I can get for how much money. I can also look at the rate of filling a bathtub. Here I'm comparing the amount of water in the tub to the amount of time it's been running. So the rate would be water per minute or water per second. Today, we're mostly going to talk about price. So again, we're comparing the amount of an item. Today, we're talking about yogurt with the amount of money. So here I have two yogurts, and I want to know which one is a better deal. So we have to look at the unit rate. Here they're telling us the unit rate, and you will often see that in stores, but I want to know where that came from. So the big yogurt has a unit rate, it says, of 5 cents per ounce. But the smaller yogurt has a unit rate of 12 cents per ounce. Even though the smaller container is cheaper, it might not be the better deal. When we compare units, we want to figure out the two things we're comparing, and then we're going to divide to find the unit rate. So I want the price, the number of ounces, and then I'm going to divide to figure out how much 1 ounce costs. Let's start with the bigger yogurt. It costs $1.62, and it has 32 ounces. So we divide $1.62 by 32, and we get 0.05, or 5 cents for 1 ounce. The smaller yogurt is cheaper at 72 cents, but you only get 6 ounces of yogurt. So when we divide, each one of those ounces ends up costing 12 cents. Because of this, the bigger yogurt is the better deal. Every ounce in the bigger yogurt is cheaper than the ounces in the smaller yogurt. Now I want you to try. Which one of these milks is the better deal? Both of them are 2% milk, but one of them is a gallon and one of them is only a quart. Good luck!